Oh my god, look at the news today.
What's going on?
The Hera were discovered at the foot of Mount Olympus.
Wow, really? Is it the white object?
Yes, did it? Hera is a cubic and she a patron goddess of magic and family. She also very beautiful because she is not a husband well.
Wow, what a shame.
Well, but she also a best goddess. Let's see continue.
Okay.
Guys, oh my god! Are you kidding me?
I'm just kidding. What are you doing, guys?
We are reading about Hera. Do you know her?
Oh, I know.
Wow, you know her.
Really?
Of course. She famous and beautiful. Moreover, she is a streamer of Vietnam.
Nani?
But she had a scandal and I'm searching.
Scandal.
You know, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about Hera. Everyone knows. She has a clip about her scandal. I want to find it.
Oh no! We are talking about the Hera of the Greek mythology.
Yes, we are not talking about what you say.
Nani?
Else, that boy, stay away from me.
Oh no!
Ew, don't touch my body.
No! No!